Welcome to Atlas Copco. Today I'm going to show you how to use pre-pressure to control the start of your bead. Pre-pressure is a parameter that we use to adjust how much adhesive comes out of an applicator at the beginning of a dispense process. Some ways to tell if you have too much pre-pressure or too little pre-pressure is by the start of that bead. If you have an excess volume in the beginning, your pre-pressure may be too high. If you have a tail or too little volume at the beginning, your pre-pressure may be too low. Another way to tell is from looking at your system controller. If your actual dispense volume is lower than your calculated volume, your pre-pressure may be too low. And this also depends on the robot programmer's preferences on how they program a bead path. But in the next steps, I'm going to show you on the controller how you can find what is the appropriate pre-pressure for the flow rate that you're using to put your bead down. So in the main menu, we can see the actual volume that was dispensed on a part, and in this scenario, it was about 64 cubic centimeters, and the calculated was 64.23. So this pre-pressure on this dispense application looks pretty good, but if for some reason I wanted to adjust it, I would go to main menu, I would go to the service and maintenance section, number 5, and then I would go to viscosity calibration and press enter. Once in the viscosity calibration, it's going to show you a flow table and the corresponding pressure or pre-pressure that should be used for that dispense rate. If for some reason I need to recalibrate this, such as getting an old material switched over on the system or plant conditions changed, or maybe even my robot program changed, and I want to adjust for a new flow rate, I would refer to this table. But if I need to recalibrate it, I will click Start. I will click Start again, and the system will go through the calibration automatically. So now that you've started your pre-pressure calibration, ensure that your applicator is positioned over a purge bucket because the system will dispense material over a range of flow rates to give that calibration curve. And so now that we've completed our pre-pressure calibration, this data is stored in the controller and is used for you to find what pre-pressure you should use at your desired flow rate. So to find what pre-pressure you want to use, go back to your main menu by hitting Escape 2 times. Page over to the sub-menu option Visco. This is where your calibrations are stored for pre-pressure. Say you want to dispense at 4 cc's per second, your pre-pressure would be 50 bar. So now you can go back into your main menu, into your dispense programs, hit enter on the program that you want to modify or manage. Go over to your pre-pressure on your meter and adjust it to the value that you found in the previous step. And now you know how pre-pressure influences the start of an adhesive dispense process and how to use pre-pressure and identify the appropriate pre-pressure in your system controller to maintain consistent adhesive dispense applications on your part. If you have further questions regarding pre-pressure or finding the condition that's best for you, please reach out to the Atlas Copco team.